Everyone thinks the best-selling robot lawnmower is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Anthbot M5. First up is the Anthbot M5. At $549.99, it caught my eye with its unique dual vision system and full-band RTK technology. If you want a reliable robot mower for your yard, this is worth a serious look. The M5 stands out because it features a dual AI vision system that provides centimeter-level precision. This means it can easily navigate your lawn, even with obstacles, which is crucial for maintaining your yard's aesthetics. It's designed for slopes up to 45%, making it suitable for most residential lawns. The 7.9-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height from 1.2 to 2.7 inches mean you can tailor your mowing experience to your specific lawn needs. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit complex.
Product number 2, Ecovacs Goat O1000. Next up is the Ecovacs Goat O1000, priced at $999.99. What really caught my attention is its perimeter wire-free design and smart obstacle avoidance. If you want advanced tech without the hassle of wires, this one's definitely worth considering. The Goat O1000 uses cutting-edge AI to map your lawn, which means you won't have to deal with those annoying boundary wires. It's also equipped with 3D obstacle avoidance, so it can navigate around pets and garden objects with ease. The zero-edge cutting feature ensures you get a beautifully manicured lawn every time, eliminating the need for manual trimming. However, some users mentioned that its heavy weight makes it a bit less flexible in tighter spaces. Here's the thing though, its robust design is ideal for larger lawns, and for most users, the trade-off in maneuverability might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a larger yard and want a smart solution that protects your property while mowing. Skip this one if you have a lot of tight corners or narrow paths. It's a solid investment for the tech-savvy homeowner. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want multi-zone management.
Product number 3, CNAI-NFC Robot Mower Garage. Coming in at just $79.89, we have the CNAI-NFC Robot Mower Garage. This caught my eye because it offers excellent protection for your robotic lawnmower. If you want to prolong the lifespan of your mower, this is worth a serious look. This garage is built from durable, rust-proof materials and provides shelter from rain, snow, and harmful UV rays. With dimensions that fit all types of robotic mowers, it's a versatile addition to your lawn care routine. It also features an easy access design, so you can quickly get your mower in and out without hassle. Some users expressed concerns about the space being a bit cramped for larger models, but honestly, this garage fits most standard-sized robotic mowers perfectly, making it a non-issue for those with average-sized machines. This is perfect for you if you own a robotic mower and want to protect your investment from the elements. Skip this if you don't plan to use your mower regularly or have a very large model. For the price, it offers fantastic value and peace of mind. Now, if you're not into garages but still want robot mowers that handle larger areas, the next one might be more your style.
Product number 4, Sunseeker X3 Plus. Next, we have the Sunseeker X3 Plus, which is priced at $979.99. This one really impressed me with its RTK Plus Vision AI navigation. If you have a medium yard and want a smart mower that handles multi-zone management, this could be your best bet. The X3 Plus is specifically designed for lawns up to 0.3 acres, making it ideal for suburban yards. It uses advanced navigation tech that allows it to create virtual boundaries for mowing, which means no more digging up your yard to install perimeter wires. Plus, its ride-on edge cutting helps you get those pesky edges without needing to do extra trimming afterward. However, a few reviews mention that it may struggle in heavily cluttered yards. Here's the thing though, if you keep your lawn clear of large objects, this mower performs beautifully and will save you tons of time. This is perfect for you if you have a well-maintained yard and want a mower that's easy to control. Skip this if your yard is filled with obstacles or debris. It's a solid investment for the right homeowner. Now, if you need something for smaller, simpler yards, the next option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Sunseeker V3. Last but not least is the Sunseeker V3,
priced at $599. If you have a small yard and want a hassle-free mowing experience, this one's worth your attention. The V3 is built for smaller spaces, covering up to 0.15 acres. It uses Vision AI to automatically detect boundaries, so there's no need for perimeter wiring. Starting it is as easy as pressing a button, and it even returns to its charging station when it's done. The low noise level at 55 decibels means you can mow at any hour without disturbing your neighbors. That said, some users found the cutting height adjustment a bit limited. But honestly, for small yards, that might not be a deal breaker. Most homeowners will find it meets their needs perfectly. This is perfect for you if you live in a small home and want a simple, efficient mowing solution. Skip this if you have a larger property. For the price, it offers great value for those with smaller lawns.
So, to wrap it up, the Anthbot M5 is great for precision. The Ecovacs GOAT 1000 offers fantastic tech without wires. The CNAI NFC Garage protects your investment. The Sunseeker X3 Plus is perfect for medium yards. And the Sunseeker V3 is ideal for small spaces. Each of these options has its own strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs.